Welcome back to Cigar Boss, my fellow bosses. Today, we're going to go over Secret Woods glowing rings and whether or not they're worth the buy. And as we start off the channel, I show you that I did receive my package from Secret Wood. I'm sure many of you have seen all their ads on Facebook and so on, showing that their rings glow super bright, super beautiful. So I decided to buy one and show you exactly what I have. I bought the glow black. There's a little extra charge for the glow black because of the pattern. I decided to go for it because I've seen that they say that they make each ring to order. So I figured I'd take a shot and save you guys the time and let you guys decide whether or not you want to buy. Inside the foil, you see the ring right in there. The foil seems nice enough to protect it. Nice packaging. As soon as I feel the ring, I feel it's super light. It is made of acrylic. I tap it on the table to show how hard it is. It does have a nice pattern. Right here, I put it under some light. Let you guys see the glow and what the glow effect has on it. I did realize that it glows a lot better when you wear it outside and you actually get the sun to charge it. Please do not forget to follow us on Cigar Boss. Hit like, hit subscribe. Let's get that subscribe count up. And I do put the ring on my light table so you can see what all the patterns are. It is very nice. However, this is not a $79 ring or an $89 ring or whatever it is that they're charging. This is most definitely at least a $5 to $10 ring. So if you're thinking of buying, you could buy cheaper on Amazon. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Sorry for the angle. I'm trying to close this video out. As you see, I still have the ring on. Secret Wood, shame on you guys for charging so much for something that just glows. Doesn't glow as bright as they'd like you to think. I took a shot figuring maybe there was they used tritium or something like that within the acrylic, but they don't. You can find much cheaper product elsewhere. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, I remind you, hit like, hit subscribe, and we love you all. Cigar Boss out.